Apply Dulux Aquanamel over a suitably primed door. For the following application, we recommend priming with Dulux One-Step Prep. When using a roller on a door, use a short nap roller such as the Rotokota Original Rolana 5mm. Apply in long strokes covering the full length of the door. After each roller dip, start in the middle of the area, not the top or bottom, to ensure ease of spreading the product. Apply paint across the entire door. Once happy with the coverage, lay off paint in one direction from top to bottom with a worked-in roller that is not loaded with paint. Laying off in a downward motion pulls paint downwards so that it is more difficult for dirt to catch on the surface and leaves a consistent finish with roller stipple facing the same direction. Once completely dry, lightly sand with the 320 to 400 grit sandpaper. Remove dust from surface and apply a second coat in the same way.